My name is Supriya Das Francis, and after spending 25 years in education field working with various international schools, CBSE, ICSE and state board schools, what I have come to realize is most of the students nowadays lose interest in math. They start withdrawing from maths because they don't understand the concept. They don't like to practice again and again. So I thought, let me solve this problem of students from school itself, from very lower classes like from grade 1 onwards, which will help them get interested in maths, and with less practice they can be more accurate. So in this series, we have been learning addition, subtraction, multiplication through Vedic math. In my last few videos, you must have seen some of addition method which can help you learn addition in a better way, in more accurate way. You can be sure about your answers and in much faster way. Same way we learned subtraction. Now today we are going to focus on two-digit multiplication. This multiplication is going to be super easy, and any two number between 10 to 100 you can multiply. It's very, very easy. So let's focus. First I'm going to explain it to you and then we'll get into practice. So the first number I take is 59 and I'm going to multiply it with 47. Now since we don't know table of 59 or 47, how we are going to do it? Now the easiest way to do is, we have two-digit number, we are going to draw 3 lines. So the first method is, we are going to multiply 9 with 7. 9 sevens are 63. I'm going to write 63 here, and now we are going to multiply 5 into 4 and we are going to write it here. 5 fours are 20. In between we are not going to write anything, we'll wait. So the first step, I repeat, is we are multiplying 9 with 7 and we are writing 63. And second step is we multiply 5 with 4 and write 20. Now in between the space is empty. In this empty space, what we are going to do, we'll do cross multiplication. Draw cross and multiply 9 times 4. 9 times 4 is 36. And same way on the other side, we are going to multiply 5 into 7, that is 35. Now, what we are going to do further? We are going to write 63 as it is. I expect you to have paper and pen with you and do all these steps along with me. If you are not sitting there with pen and paper, then at least follow my step. So, see what I'm doing. Now, let's add this. 36 and 35 makes it 71. And this is 20. Now it's time to write our final answer. How we are going to write our final answer? We are going to write 3 as it is. Alright, 6 moves to 1. 6 and 1 together makes it 7. And this 7 goes to 0. 7 and 0 makes it 7 and 2 as it is. That means our answer is 2773. Means when you multiply 59 with 47, you are going to get 2773. I hope you understood this. I'm going to show one more example. So, if you have not grabbed a paper and pen, it's time for you to grab your paper and pen. Now let's do it together. Once again, another sum. I'm going to multiply 63 with 77. Alright? Now, if you remember what our first step was, because this is two-digit multiplication, very simple step is we need to draw 2 lines. Because we draw 2 lines, we have 3 space created and we are going to write there. So our first step after drawing the line is simply multiply 3 with 7. How I'm drawing the line, please draw the line so that you are clear with the concept. multiply 3 with 7 and write just below that without carrying over. So we write here 21. 3 times 7 is 21. On the other hand, what we are going to do? We will multiply 6 with 7. Correct. Now when we multiply 6 with 7, we get 42. So I'm going to write 42 as it is. Done? We are clear? Now we come to the middle part. What we are going to do? We'll do cross multiplication. Once again here we are multiplying 6 with 7. That makes it 42. And once again 3 with 7 and that gives us 21. Be very, very clear. Don't try to do these things verbally. Please draw the line and do it so that you make sure your answers are correct. You are on right track. Now 21 we are going to write as it is. We got 21. Here we will add it. So we are getting 63. Okay. And 42. Done? I hope you understood how we get 63. 2 plus 1, 3 and 4 plus 2, 6. Now let's move to the final step where we are going to write final answer. Simple. You don't need to worry about what to do and what not to do. First number is 1. So I will write 1 as it is. Clear? 2 goes to 3. Only 3. 2 goes to 3. 3 plus 2 makes it 5. Done? Now 6 goes to 2. Add 6 with 2. 6 plus 2 makes it 8. And 4 I am going to write as it is. Done. Isn't it simple, children? It's very simple, and with practice you can also increase the speed. So you must have seen that it took me a little longer because I was explaining it to you, and that's why it took me a little longer than 1 minute to calculate it. But with speed, I'm sure you'll be able to do it within a minute. So it's time to practice. I keep this sum as it is for your reference, and let me give you some sums. Okay. Here we are going to multiply 78 with 92. So this is your first sum. Start calculating it, and as you are calculating, keep your timer on and see how long does it take for you to calculate. And you can always write in our comment box. If you want more sums to practice, you can mention it in comment box. Not only that, you can also check your time and write your time, that how fast you are able to solve it. Alright, so I'm giving you one more sum. This is 46 multiplied by 58. And here is the third sum, which says, I write 19 multiplied by 33. Fine. These are the three sums I expect you to solve, and you should be taking maximum 3 minutes time, children. So keep practicing. Happy learning. And this is Supriya saying bye to you. We'll meet again. Thank you.